Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your flipped classroom lesson for bass clef pitches. This goes along with your packet 6-2. The objective of this lesson is that students will be able to name the pitch of a note on any line or space in the bass clef. Let's jump right in. So the pitches that we learned last class only apply to treble clef. So if we try to use Every Good Boy Does Fine and Face in bass clef, we're going to actually name the notes incorrectly. So sometimes we see a bass clef at the beginning of the staff, so we need to think to ourselves, okay, I'm in bass clef now, I need to make sure that I'm using the names of the pitches for bass clef. So, and again, in bass clef, the pitches have different letter names. So take a look at your packet, make sure that you draw a big bass clef on your staff, just like mine. And we're going to go through each of these lines from the bottom to the top. The bottom line in bass clef is a G, so go ahead and write G there in your box. Moving up from the G, we still use the same system, so we're going to end up skipping letters like we did before. This is a B. The next line up is a D. After that, we have an F. And on the very top, the top line in bass clef is A. The phrase that we use to remember this, because again this is a lot to remember, we say in bass clef, good boys do fine always. So good boys do fine always. That is our phrase for bass clef lines. Next, let's talk about the spaces. The bottom space in bass clef is an A. The next space up is a C. After that, we have an E, and then the top space is a G. So A, C, E, G from bottom to top. The phrase that we use to remember this for spaces in bass clef is all cows eat grass. It's true, all cows eat grass. So all cows eat grass, that's how we remember the spaces in bass clef. That's it for this lesson. It's about the fastest lesson in the history of mankind. Hope you have a good one. I love you, bye. See you later.